All right, guys, this is a first. I've never been stalked before. Yeah, I don't have anything for you. I'm sorry. All right, so I think we found our lunch spot. Good morning, YouTube. We're currently in Breckenridge, Colorado. We're gonna go do the mining district up here, see some of the old mining railings. We'll probably work our way to the old dredge. As you can see, it's November 1st and we don't really have much snow up in the high country, but hopefully that'll change. I really want to get some snow content for you guys, but Colorado just isn't releasing any snow at the moment. But I'm gonna get myself ready. We got some fun stuff planned on this trip. We're gonna go and do a day hike, put a couple miles on. We're gonna try our backpacking stove and see how we can do with that, with making a meal and a quesadilla. We're gonna try out some new gear. It is currently like 20 degrees right now, so I am gonna put on some of my winter gear that I have. Pieces of gear I bought off of Amazon is some snow overalls. So I also bought off of Amazon some boots, some snow boots, a backpacking stove. You'll probably see a little of that in the video before this. I'll link that up in the description. On the trail, we're gonna go and do kind of a small loop hike, and then we'll do test that stove. All right, so we're not in that far, maybe quarter mile, half a mile. That's all from a dredge that came up here when they were mining in this area. So do you see the bird right here? This guy's been following me for, I don't know, probably a good 300-400 feet. I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign, but he seems friendly, or she. All right, guys, this is a first. I've never been stalked before, and I'm gonna see if I can show you guys what's stalking me, and this is actually kind of cool. See him coming towards me right there? This guy's been following me for a little while. Let's see. I guess that's one of the better things to be stalked by than a mountain lion or a bear, so I'll take that as a win. All right, so I'm still being stalked. He stuck with me. See him right there? All right, so we just made it to this dredge. Pretty cool. That's pretty cool, that old dredge sitting right there. A lot of history in Breckenridge, a lot of mining, and I think it was gold and silver they were mining up here. So my friend came back, as you can see. Yeah, I don't have anything for you. I'm sorry. All right, we found a nice little sunny spot for a little bit. We're gonna kind of warm up for a second. Trail's been beautiful so far. Boy, look at this. All right, so I can see why they call this the yellow brick road. I bet this is just covered in yellow leaves. It's actually pretty cool because look at all the aspens. So I definitely get why they call it that. All right, so I got myself on some sort of forest road. I actually don't know what road I'm on at the moment. All right, so I think we found our lunch spot. This is a nice spot right here. I actually didn't even know this was up here. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna have to see if I can maybe get the trailer up here. Looks like there's some stuff up this way too. Oh, it looks like there's a trail marker right there. But yeah, this is crazy. This was a spot I'm definitely gonna have to try to come up here and camp. All right, so we are at a nice little spot with a pretty nice view. I'm liking this. So we're gonna get our little backpacking stove set up, and we're gonna start making some lunch. We're just gonna do a ham quesadilla. All right, so we got our little fuel, our little stand, our little stove. I got some utensils in case we need them, and obviously our skillets in there. So I'm gonna get this set up. So what we have for lunch is we got some tortillas, we got some butter, I got some cheese, and a little bit of ham. And then I got my Capri Sun as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything kind of prepped, and we'll get this going. There's our quesadilla. I kind of just did a simple down and dirty meal. All right, should we see how it tastes? Not bad. All right, so we have our messy quesadilla. I'm gonna let that cook for a little bit. So this little stove that I have right here actually did really well. I actually burnt my quesadilla a little bit, but I'm still gonna enjoy it with this pretty view I got right here. All right, so we got everything packed up real nice and easy, and that's all it is. One thing I like about hiking in winter is the time I actually like to be in the sun. The gear I got from Amazon is actually keeping me really warm, except for this blue fleece. This I've had for a while, but the overalls and the boots have kept my feet dry. I'd say, I don't know what the temperature is right now. I'm guessing it's about freezing, but this morning when I was down in the shade, it was pretty chilly, but I was warm. So if you guys can see it, there's a cabin right there, old mining cabin. And if you look, all this right here is all from the dredge that you saw earlier in the video. Here's another relic. I'm not sure what this was. I'm guessing probably old mining cabin. Oh, found a nice outhouse. That's cool. Oh, it looks like there's another little cabin right here. Let's go check it out real quick. Ooh, look at all the tailings on this old mine. Pretty cool. I was going to stop for a minute and kind of tell you about the hike. It was a good hike. We're almost back to the vehicle. You can tell we're kind of back in lower elevation, not as much of snow on this side of the trail. If you're ever in Breckenridge, go and do this mining district. It's actually really worth it, and I highly recommend doing it kind of any time of the year. So I lied. We're now finishing the hike right now. We went to go do another little mining site to see, and the vehicles are just literally down right over here. But we're gonna head to that dredge here shortly. All right, guys. So we just made it to this other dredge that's just a little further down from where we were at. This one's, there's not much left of it, but we're still gonna get some. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. A lot of mining history in Breckenridge, but look at this old dredge. Check this thing out.